In this video, I will resolve an error. Our error message is upon text audio device could not be found. The application will now exit. How to do this? Let's start. Let's click Windows 11 icon and search in search box Services and click on Services Utility. Service window will open. Now find here CX Util SVC. You will find here and you will find another option CX Audio SVC option. Expand this window and verify the services. Now right click and go to Properties. Stop the services and select here Startup, Disable and Apply button. Now go to another and right click here and go to Properties and click on Stop button. Click on Startup Type and select Disabled and click on Apply button, press OK button. Now close this window and restart this PC or laptop. After restarting, you will see your problem has been resolved.